number 2, the given ordered pairs are negative 2, 4, and 1, 6. Again, to identify the slope of a line given 2 points, our step 1 is to plot first the given ordered pairs using a Cartesian plane. So first, we have negative 2, positive 4. So negative 2 going to the left, and then positive 4 upward. So therefore, this is the exact location of the first point. And the second point is 1, 6. Positive 1 and positive 6. So after plotting the 2 points, our next step is connect it using a straight line. Then count or identify the slope, anak, using the ratio of rise over run. So based on the given, ano yung first point natin dyan? Negative 2, positive 4. So dito tayo, anak, mag-start. So from here, where is the direction of the line? Up or down? Up. Okay, count natin ilang units. 1, 2. Dahil upward, positive, negative? Okay, positive. Therefore, our rise is positive 2. So from here, okay, where's the direction of the line? Right or left? Right. O, how many units kaya? 1, 2, 3. So therefore, do you think we can simplify 2 over 3? O kung hindi na to, therefore, this is the answer na for number 2. The slope of the given points is 2, 3. Opposite tayo, anak. Example number 3. So we have negative 3, negative 1. And we have negative 5, positive 5. O first, kindly plot negative 3, negative 1. Yes, malagay nyo? Negative 3 and negative 1. Okay. Very good. And we have negative 5, 5. Okay, this is the exact location of negative 3, negative 1, and negative 5, positive 5. After that, we need to connect the 2 points using a straight line. So after connecting na, identify natin, anak, ano yung first point natin? Ito po, negative 3, negative 1. So simula dito, where do you think is the direction of the line? Up or down? Up. Bilangin po natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Positive, negative? Positive kasi upward po tayo. Okay, after that, andito na po tayo. Where do you think is the direction of the line? Right or left? Left naman po. How many times kaya to? 1, 2. What is the sign of 2? Going to the left? Negative. Then simplify your answer, anak. 6 divided by negative 2. Okay, negative 3. That is the slope of the given 2 points. So we have 5, 2 and we have 2, 2. Aquela, kindly plot 5, 2 and 2, 2. So first we have 5, 2. And we have 2, 2. Okay, then after that, connect the 2 points using a straight line. Okay, and then observe the given line. What can you say about this line? This line is, horizontal, meaning what can you say about the slope? Okay, automatic, the slope is equal to 0.